Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with essentials. Power the drone and phone above 50% and enable the drone's Wi-Fi hotspot because unstable power breaks pairing. Once done, install the official Wi Cam app and grant camera, location, and storage permissions so the app can stream and save footage. Make sure to turn off cellular data to force the phone onto the drone SSID. Then connect to the drone Wi-Fi using the default password, typically 8 digits. This starts the secure link required for the app to see the drone camera. You now pair the devices. Open the Wi-Cam app and select the Connect to Drone or Local Wi-Fi option so the app uses the phone's current Wi-Fi network. Next, enter the drone SSID password exactly. Make sure you pick the 4 GHz band if the app asks, because it offers better range versus 5 GHz. Once you command search or pair, accept any pairing requests on both devices and complete the initial license prompts. After pairing, the app will request camera access and begin negotiating a video stream. You finish by confirming the live video feed and testing controls. Tap record and take a photo to ensure the stream and controls respond. Then calibrate the gimbal and flight controls inside the app, save any custom settings, and set an auto reconnect preference so future sessions start fast. If the feed lags, make sure you move the phone closer and reduce interference from routers. If problems persist, restart the app and the drone. Reconnect to the drone SSID and try pairing again. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.